Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today we're going to build a simple ramp to eliminate one step for my mom. Want to see how I do it? Stay tuned. I am at my mother's house and I just got done putting in this ramp. The ramp is not structural and it's not up to code, so if you're looking for that, you just might as well go on, because this is not a code ramp. In Indiana, for every inch of rise, I have to come out 1 foot of run, and I'm technically about 8 inches shy of that. So I'm close, but I'm not exactly. But we're not going to use this for wheelchairs or walkers or anything like that. It's just a little incline to help my mom get up into the kitchen from her garage. She parks her car in the garage, she goes into the kitchen, and she uses this door. I can't open the door because the dogs will eat me alive, but this right here is really flush to the seal of the door, and over here it is a little high because the floor slopes a little, and I did not account for that when I made this ramp. So I'll have to come back and plane the bottom of that 2x6 that I cut and kind of tilt the ramp down a little bit. Other than that, it's pretty strong. You probably could use this for a wheelchair. Me personally, I wouldn't have a problem with it, but again, it's not code. It's not attached to anything. It's just sitting here. And I just put a cheap little rubber carpet on here just to make it look better and give a little bit more traction when you're walking on this. She already had a rug out here in the front, and actually it kind of worked to my advantage because it actually makes this ramp not slide back and forth. So that kind of actually worked to my advantage. So that's all I got for you this week. If you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.